You're safe now. Let your body rest. Close your eyes. Let's begin. Find a position that feels completely supported. Maybe you're lying down on a mat with a soft pillow under your knees. Let your hands rest gently, palms open to the sky. If you like, place a blanket over your body or an eye pillow to soften the world. Begin to let go of the day. Feel the safety in stillness. Now let a personal intention form in your mind, your sankalpa. It may be something like, I am calm and grounded. Choose words that feel true. Take a soft sip of air through your nose and let it go, long and slow. Again, a soft inhale and an even slower exhale. My name's Gail, and I'll be right here with you as we begin to settle. Let's start by simply noticing the breath. No need to change it. Just watch the rise and fall, the natural movement in and out. Now, let awareness gently scan the body from head to toe. Soften your forehead. Release your jaw. Feel the neck unwind. Let the shoulders melt into the ground. Down through the arms, hands, fingers. Soften the chest. Relax the belly. Let the hips grow heavier. Feel the legs unwind. The knees, calves, ankles, and all the way into the soles of your feet. You're lying beside a gentle stream, its rhythm flowing with your breath, holding you in stillness. Imagine you're slowly floating down a small hill. Each breath takes you lower, softer, quieter. With every exhale, you drift deeper into ease. Let's count down now, from 10 to 1. With each number, feel yourself arriving more fully into rest. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now take a deep, soft breath in and exhale slowly. Let your body sink even deeper. Take one more gentle inhale and release it fully, feeling how the body responds. Let's move awareness through the body now. Right hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, pinky, right palm, back of the hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, across the chest to the left shoulder, down the left arm, elbow, wrist, palm, fingers. Notice both arms at once. Feel their weight and stillness. Now into the right toes, foot, ankle, calf, knee, thigh, hip, across the pelvis to the left hip, thigh, knee, shin, ankle, foot, toes. Become aware of the whole body, lying still, safe and supported by the earth, the sound of the stream flowing nearby. Now, gently sense the feeling of lightness, as if your body could float. Let it linger for a few moments. Now feel the opposite. Heaviness, as though your limbs are made of stone. Let that sensation settle, shift into warmth, soothing heat spreading through your belly. And then the opposite, a light, cool breeze across the skin. Each opposite balances the nervous system, regulates emotion, invites deeper calm. Picture yourself standing near the stream, watching sunlight flicker on the surface, birdsong in the distance. Let that image stay with you. Peaceful, grounded, steady and still. Repeat your sankalpa now. Say it silently. Let it sink deep into your awareness. Begin to bring awareness back into the room, back into your body, feeling the contact points beneath you. Let your breath gently deepen. A little more presence with each inhale, a little more awareness with each exhale. Start to move gently. Maybe roll your wrists. Let your body stretch in any way it wants to. No rush. We'll count from 1 to 5 to bring you fully back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can return to this calm, this stream, this breath anytime you need. Thank yourself for this moment. May peace follow you always. Namaste. If this helped, I'd be honored if you'd subscribe.